Where's the best phone screen replacement near you? If you live in Australia, you can always trust Sydney CBD Repair Centre to deliver the best smartphone screen replacement. They can fix smashed or cracked iPhone or Android smartphones. They have professional technicians who can do the fixing while you do the waiting. They also offer fair pricing on cash or card payments. You can visit Sydney CBD Repair to know more of the services they offer. Or call 8011-4119 right now. You will love the results from this shop. They are highly recommended by their previous customers. Where's the best phone screen replacement near you? It's Sydney CBD Repair Centre.